Renowned top-end CNC router manufacturers, Biesse of Italy, make use of the extremely stable and world-recognized second-generation NK105 controller unit with outstanding results. And we are proud to inform you that all our non-automatic tool change routers make use of exactly the same controller unit, whilst all our automatic tool change routers make use of the NK105 third generation controller. Here are just some of the key features of interest. It is simply an excellent, time-tested system that produces great results over and over again. That's why you can trust Advanced Machinery, and you can find us at am.co.za.